look at that. Every time it drop, it retraces the full candle before dropping in the lower. So you just put this people. Yeah, like got out, got taken out 3 times. You know, lost what $300 now, and it's back into a fair value gap, which I need. It needs to go through this fair value gap too. I can see how it's struggling to go through, go lower because of all of these level of resistance. It drops here, fair value gap, resistance, you know, resistance, 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 resistance. We got the support of the 15 minutes, so it will, if it's a good one, it will trade through, disregard this fair value gap and move lower. If not, we may see a retracement higher from here, taking out this buy side and then engineering something at 10. But I'm pretty positive on how the 15 minute is running. You know, like this market is just, it's crazy. So hopefully, finger crossed, we make some money. You know, like I said at the beginning of the stream, I've had a rough year so far. I've had a rough time, like you know, trading
So
this
fair.
year. It hasn't been easy. I know. I mean, if you have been trading, especially this year, you'll know that. Sheesh, this market is so manipulative. It favors the bulls, even though it feels like it has been going up forever. And anytime you get into a sell, you get into a sell position, it's a struggle, it's a grind. And then the moment you get into the buy, if it's on a good day, maybe you make some money. If it's not, they will grind you out before they even run the thing up, which is just so frustrating, man. Like, look, we're just taking out a low here and quickly moving back up already. It's like, bro, oh, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. We shall see. We shall see. Kind of like we want this fair value gap to stay open, uh, as a breakaway gap, and then we get to smash this sell side. That's what I really want. We're getting close to the macro, 3 minute. Hopefully, we get to see some good trade. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm doing a top step combine where right now I'm in drawdown. Uh, yeah, I'm in drawdown of a grand. I'm in drawdown, so hopefully I trade well and then we pass it well with you guys else. So right now, like I said, that 15 minute is really holding up very well. This is ES, like you see. I was talking about that ES low and retracement, that sell side here, and he's attacking it. And NQ is getting close to the sell side that we want. But I know this motherfucker. Okay, it's accelerating right there. Let me see where my okay. I think this is enough. Because it's top step, you know. I'll close it right here. And yeah, that's what I said. Fair value gap and attack the sell side. And then bam, take it out. Yep. And even more. Look at that. So yeah, we purge the sell side, which is right here. The relatively equal lows, it has been taken out, And then just like I said, you know, the PM session it targeted. It did give out the first entry prior to 9:30 opening right here, right? That's the one that I initially entered on, and then it did just that retracement where I lost some money. But then on this 15-minute candle, like when I was looking at it, it wasn't able to close outside of this fair value gap. That's where was saying that I was gonna get in once again because I trusted 15 minute, and then we had this big dump in the last I don't know 15 minutes, and still dumping. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. For the day, what I'm trying to do is to be more disciplined, is to not over trade, not over leverage. I already got my trading. I know myself. Sometimes when I do this thing, um, sometimes when I win, I get cocky, right? I'll be like, oh, I got some profit, so let's risk 100 to make a little bit more because top step daily limit, uh, daily win limit is 1500. Let's try to get to 1500. Maybe I'll make some money. And in inside my head, right, I'm not satisfied because I closed my trade here with $1,100 profit instead of letting it drop all the way here, closing with 1600 profit, which is something that really messed up with me mentally because every time I will make some money, right, I will get the high probability trade like this one. I'm not getting them every day. That's just something that I want to make sure. I don't get them every day, and when I do, they give you something like this, which gives you confidence. Like, okay, I know what I'm doing about in this market. I know how to trade. I've studied hard. I trust my work ethic. I trust uh, how much I've how much sweat and time I've put into studying, back testing, you know, whole 2023 I spent my time studying this market, back testing, trying to figure out what strategy work for me and all this kind of stuff, working on my psychology and all of this stuff. That gives me confidence that okay, things are working, and then if I stick to with this thing, it will work out for the better, and it can change my life. I mean, it can change the life of my family. It can change the life of other people that may follow my journey and stuff like that. That's a hope, right? But at some point, I get so enthusiastic about the future, right? I'm fantasizing about everything that can happen if I'm able to do this every single day. And that's where the mistake comes in because of the expectation. I want to make more money. You know, I can just risk 500 to make 1500. Then you lose your 500. Then you lose 1,000. Then you lose a 5K. And then now, whereas your confidence is gone, right? You are like, oh shit, this market is more complicated than I think about it. It can be manipulated. It can be tricky. It can hurt. And I've gone through all of these psychological things. And lately, it has taken a lot for me to like just even come back and be here and trying to do this again because I know that I haven't been disciplined like I wanted to. I haven't been able to take one high probability trade and then just stick to it and then be done with it. I take a lot of stupid trade with ranges like this that end up burning me instead of taking some high probability trade. And then one knows that this market lately hasn't been good at all. Though it's just like finding what is working, tweaking it, and then making it work. And like I said, intention inside my head, sometimes I will risk that 130, try to like get to 1500, and then I lose the 100. I want out to get back to the 100, and then I just spiral down to 15. 500 is left, then 200. Then I don't have any profit anymore. Then it hurt my pride. Then I wanna get it all back. By the time I wanna get it, we're already into the launch session. In the launch session, things are always not what they seem. It's gonna grind you up. You're gonna take some losses, and then bam, you're done, right? And then I hit my daily loss limit. I get more pissed. I see the progress that I made, and then I'm back to you know -2% on the day. Damn, let's reset. I reset. over leverage and lose again and again and again, and it's just a spiral. So the reason I'm doing this live stream is to become more transparent, more disciplined, because I know that there's someone probably watching the stream, or even if nobody's watching, at least I can be intentional about the things that I'm doing. And when I take a trade like this, which is a profitable trade, by the time I end the stream, I close the stream, I close everything down, we are done. No more trading, and my battery is dying. So, on this note, I'm just gonna end the stream now, and then I'm just gonna end the stream, and yeah. So that's the first live stream. At least we got a good trade.